This is a 1999 Yamaha YZF-R1 and it is in stunning original condition. These bikes are well known for their raw and aggressive power and are described as a handful in lower revs. The 998cc inline-4 engine produces a whopping 149 brake horsepower. This bike here has covered only 24,389 miles. The highly sought after metallic dark blue colour was the one to have back in the day and still looks stunning now. Its late 90s styling gives a sleek yet powerful look and is a really eye-catching machine. Come and see this iconic sports bike at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk to see all our inventory.